So here she is, just a quick progress report of what I've been up to this week. Um, as you can see, I'm still waiting for ignition parts so that I can restore it back to a point setup and get rid of the electronic ignition dual fire. But in the meantime, I've tried to keep busy. I've cleaned up the cylinder head and the cylinder pot, and they came really clean, very easy. And this bike has, you've heard me say many times, it has very low kilometers. It's there's no real wear. You look at the hand grips and the foot pegs and the brake pedal, the original Speedmaster tires. There's absolutely no wear on this bike. It just needed to be cleaned and polished. So while waiting for parts, I've been kept busy. Just a quick rundown of what I've been up to. I cleaned the battery box and installed a couple of stickers. Polished the handle for lifting and the springs for the seat. I've polished up the shock towers and the chain guard and both rims, and I was really happy with the way they came up. There's no rot. The spokes are all perfect. Everything just needed to be cleaned and polished. I polished up the electronics. I cleaned up the rectifier regulator pair and remounted them all neatly. I've ordered a fender and a lighting bar. I'm just waiting. I'll be plugging that in. This is the plug-in for the rear lights. On this side, I took the time and just on vehicle, I polished up the timing cover oil pump filter case, and yeah, she's coming. As you can see, just keeping busy while I'm waiting. I'm still wait. I'll put the single fire coil back in here on the fender extension or house, whatever you want to call it, and then I'll be able to ride it. I'm just waiting for ignition parts. She's coming.